I'm Ben Lassiter, Deputy Director with Mainspring Conservation Trust. Mainspring is a land and water conservation organization in western North Carolina. This is our service area, the western 6 counties, the state of North Carolina, and a little bit of Raven County, Georgia, with the headwaters of the Little Tennessee River.
Hello, my name is Chris Weatherford, and I'm the Development Director for Mainspring Conservation Trust. Part of my job is to let people know that the funding and support they give us really has an impact on our resources here. We devote about 40% of our budget towards our water initiatives, which is keeping waters clean and restoring water quality to areas.
I'm Jason Metter. I'm also with Mainspring Conservation Trust, Aquatics Program Manager. In this area, it's really unique being in the southern Appalachians. We're kind of the water tower for the whole southeast in the United States.
The beauty of this area is really defined by the water and the way the water shapes the landscape.
In my job, I often get to take folks out on the water to show them firsthand what these resources look like when they're improved and when they're protected.
We try to educate and get folks involved in understanding about the water that we have and why it's so special.
Mainspring is all about conserving land, water, and cultural heritage. All of our projects have some connection to water, whether it's land conservation up in the uplands and headwater streams where forested areas are so important to clean water, whether it's water projects right on the river where we're restoring stream banks and we're getting kids into the creek, and then the cultural heritage, which all of those three overlay to make this just such an incredible area. The cultural heritage is really centered on these corridors along the rivers where ancient cultures settled and farmed, and more recent folks make their homes and livelihoods today.